I got plenty of here. So cool. So yeah, I have not found that tent peg yet, by the way. And also, Good Workshops. I cut it open just for ease, because holy crap. The knife I used was the buck knife I have on. I say ease, but it's not coming out for crap. Yeah. This is for September 2023. Okay, first, this is nice. Is this the Grimm Workshop can / bottle opener dog tag? This actually does two things for me. I've actually wanted to get the can opener and bottle opener mini tool. By the way, I'm on my tablet and I am near Wi-Fi, and this has mostly. So yeah, as you can see, there's a little edge right there for. That's valued at $9.50. I'm actually gonna be wearing this, actually. Yeah. Next is something I'm so excited about because I'm just getting into this. An Escape and Evasion cord. And by the way, yeah, that's a blade, apparently. So yeah, a lot of shims, saw, and all this. This will go with the bypass tool I have. Let me give you a good look at that. This is beautiful. That is valued at $19.95. I'm happy about that. This is going in my wallet, by the way. Okay. Okay. If this isn't post-apocalypse, I don't know what is. Yucca or Yucca, I think it's Yucca leaf. Sewing kit for the first cord. That both are valued at $185. Isn't that post-apocalypse? Then last for the cords. This is General G3, by the way. The next is knot tying. Knot 4. The bowline, or bowline, I can't actually remember. And the clove hitch. And my favorite thing, Grimm keep putting these in putting these in because these are useful. So yeah, I also want to talk about a few things. One, I ordered the subscription. No. A new one anyway. Because I felt like I needed a new gear thing. So, this looks so up close because it's my tablet. And the only place I can put it is, yeah. Also, I've not found that tent peg yet. I'm missing one tent peg. Also, if I do go, camping with whatever tent, it's not going to be the two-person tent, because holy crap, that took way too long to put up. So yeah. Now, this month, by the way, I'm going to say, love it. Also, I'm thinking of actually, this month buying either a boat, like an inflatable boat, or a something. Remember, also, today I might set up the tent, the first one I did. I don't know the name of the brand. Chinese tent. And just, and set up my, telescope at school. And just sit in it for a while with coffee and relax. So yeah. Anyway, y'all. Definitely you know what, let's put this together. Actually, I might use it later on. Actually, let's see if you can see that tip right there on the can opener port. Yeah, that's supposed to do. So assuming it's kind of like a P38 or P51. And people keep calling it, I see people keep calling it P39. How do I open this? We'll worry about it later. But yeah. Over $20 value. If I can recommend one cheap subscription that you definitely get good stuff with, this one. So yeah. Peace, y'all.